How to add REDSTONE token to bybit wallet. Now, as you can see, this token available. It's available on CoinMEXC. So you're able to add this token to bybit wallet. What you need to do, click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum link. So you can open your bybit wallet. Now just log into your wallet first. And now what you need to do, click on these three lines. Now click on this plus icon and select the Ethereum as a network. Now paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token called RED. But before that, make sure to read that alert. Now, as you can see, and after that, click on confirm. Now, to make sure that you add this token successfully to your wallet, now go back to your wallet and try to find your token called REDSTONE. So after you find it, you can verify that you added successfully to your wallet. So keep searching until you find it. As you can see, now make sure to switch the network to Ethereum here, and now you will be able to find your token. As you can see, this is it. Now, as you can see, our token is successful to our wallet. So this is how to add a REDSTONE token to bybit wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.